Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be showing you how to get MovieBox, my favorite thing from Cydia. So here we go. Okay, so right here. Sorry, this is taking a little while. So you just browse, you just browse through all of your favorite movies. You could search, look at TV shows, just hit download, and they'll be like right here. Okay, here's how. All you have to do, open up Cydia, go to search, and all you have to do is search MovieBox, one word, and hit download. So, one second. Yeah, so just go to search MovieBox, install, then confirm. Okay, well, it's being a little slow, but yeah, so just search MovieBox, one word, and then install, confirm. And then you should have it. And then, that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya.